Are you still packaging eBay orders by hand? I know I'm not. Here's how I use Amazon to ship my eBay orders for me. You can see the eBay account right here. And when somebody purchases this item, Amazon automatically gets notified, ships it to the customer, and even puts in the tracking number. So all you have to do is just make sure you have Fba Inventory at Amazon's fulfillment center. Right, we've got 21 units left, and we make sure that the SKU on Amazon matches the exact SKU on eBay. So make sure everything matches up for the SKUs, and then everything else is going to be from a tool called Mapmychannel. So just Google Mapmychannel, go here. Once you click here, you're going to click login. Then you're going to click sign up. Then you're just going to put your username, test 1 2 3 4 5. Let's do 1 1. And let's see. Oh, the username's taken. Jet plane man. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's try this one. Oh, it's the username. Let's try this one. Okay. So then you're going to connect your eBay. So you click eBay, connect your eBay account, and then the next page you're going to connect your Amazon account. And then the tool is going to look something like this. So once an eBay order comes in, this tool is going to automatically notify Amazon, put in a multi-channel fulfillment order, and then it's going to say accepted so you can view it on Amazon. Once Amazon ships it, this tool is going to take the tracking number from Amazon, put it into eBay. That's as automated as it gets, where you don't really have to lift a finger to do all of this shipping. And the best part about this tool, if you go to the plans, it's completely free. So scroll down, you can just get a free plan. And if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade to a paid plan if you want, but it's free to start, which is amazing. The tool's free. Obviously, shipping's never free. But here's the integration, so you can turn this all on. Order sync, tracking sync, inventory sync. You can even make sure, if you go to this edit tool right here, you can even make sure that Amazon's shipping it in a blank box. This is kind of exactly how to do it. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. If you're still confused, you can go right to the link in our description. Go to services, courses. I do have a course on this that's even more in depth if you need a step by step where I go through every single step on how to get this set up, which is phenomenal. I also have one on TikTok, which is a little bit more difficult, but I have how to sell on TikTok, how to make it successful, and how to connect your TikTok to Amazon, just like I did in today's video. So check it out in the link in the description if you need help. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description. Again, to contact us or schedule a call. One of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we're going to be managing your Amazon, but we'll also expand you to eBay, Walmart, Etsy, TikTok. Make sure all of the platforms connect, and Amazon does the shipping for all of them. This is going to help you increase your sales, save time, and of course, make sure that you can focus on growing your business instead of doing the day-to-day tasks inside your business. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.